Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Come on! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would even say it close. Come on! All of the other reindeer used to let
Okay, so I'm about to do my hair again. So I went back and I used an apple cider vinegar rinse and like olive oil and deep conditioned. I deep conditioned, got my hair squeaky motherfucking clean. So I'm gonna go back and try. I said I was gonna come back. To her. So I'm gonna come back and try the Curl La La. And I'm using the Extreme, what is this? Wetline Extreme gel that everybody keeps talking about. Like, so I want to use it, and we're gonna see if we can get a little nice little something. Like, my scalp is clean. It's no distractions, no residues. I made sure to get my head squeaky. Like, I washed my hair with a clarifying shampoo and a moisturizing shampoo. Then, like, I had a whole process. Like, I was not playing because I just feel like I thought Curl was trying to play me, and I don't know. As soon as I ended up putting the apple cider vinegar on my scalp, it was lifting all the dirt and residue. So, like, my scalp is so clean, my hair. So if this bitch turn around and make me itch again, I'm gonna be mad. So whatever, get to the video. So I'm about to go through. I got my spray bottle, and I don't know, I tried to open this in the car, but I almost crashed. It smelled like, I don't know, it got like a fruity smell, but not like a I don't know. This kind of smell, it's off. Like, it reminds me of like a kitty shampoo or something. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm about to just go through, and I'm trying to debate if I'm going to put this all over my hair. I think I'm going to do one section at a time, just to be safe, you know. With short hair, is honestly no point to try to finger, like, you be doing too much. You gonna be salty as shit because your hair just don't want to part. There's no parts. Alright, I'm kind of scared to use this again, but I don't know. I hope y'all can see this. Like, this looks lit. Back. Different gel, clean head. Is this? I need to look at the expiration date on my shit. There's no expiration date on here. It rubbed off. Like, this shit must be expired. I don't know. I don't know no more. Because this part right here, perfect. Back here on this side, turn around. On this side, I started to get like a little like residue. So I was like, okay, I'm a little heavy handed. Let me calm down. Alright, it ain't me. It can't be me. I done cleansed my head. Like, it's not itching or nothing like that, but I cleansed my head. It's these little, look at my towel. These little bee things. Like, what is that? I don't even know if you can see it, but look at my towel. All of that on my towel. This shit's still in my hair. Like, what the fuck? So, third time's the charm, I guess. This shit's still in my... I can't. Like, the flakes is still in my motherfucking hair. Like, it's not a lot. Like, these little white balls are still in my hair. Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't fucking get it. I even got a new t-shirt because I thought it was on my t-shirt. Oh my god. Like, what? Like, what is you? Like, what is you? Because I don't know. I don't even want to be bothered to do my hair. Like, I'm about to really just make it an afro day. Like, today is just about to be an afro kind of day. Because I'm not doing this. Like, my hair too short to be going through this bullshit. Like, my hair not even long enough. Like, I want to pick my hair out so bad right now. I want to pick it out. I want to pick my hair out. And go lay down. That's how I feel. I want to go pick my hair out and go take a nap. Because I'm just not feeling this today. Like, it's washed. It's clean. Despite these fucking cotton ball lint looking pieces. It's not even lint. It's from this stupid... Say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls, and lifeless coils. Define, shape, control, curls, waves, coils, braid outs, while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. This is a bunch of bullshit. You are bullshit, ma'am. Like, it conditioned your hair, I'm not gonna lie, because when but it's still, like, I don't know if it's just my hair, because I have low porosity hair, and maybe it's just sitting on top of it. I don't know. And I let it absorb, and then I came back, and it was still messed up. I don't understand. Like, my hair was itching. So I wanted to use this extreme Wetline extreme. I keep wanting to say extreme Wetline. This Wetline extreme gel. But I don't even know if I don't feel like doing my hair anymore. I don't feel like doing my hair. But I want to use it because it felt so nice on my hair. Curl La La just pissed me off. I didn't feel like this shit. I didn't know. I'm being sleepy. But I'm about to put my bonnet on. Then when I go to work later, I'm going to just pick my hair up. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Shit making me sick. Like, I dedicated all day to doing my hair. Like, I really got my scalp together. She was cooling. She was cool. She was acting right. Like, I don't even want to not put nothing in my hair. Like, I don't even... I'm having a whole breakdown. Fucking ridiculous. Do nothing. I give up. I give up. I just do. I didn't want to fiddle with this shit no more. I hope you enjoyed this video of nothing. I'm like my little brother. Have a good day. Okay. I'm about to take a nap. Or whatever.
I'm in the whip, ayy. I'm finna dip, ayy. I got my ice, ayy. It's real bright, ayy. I'm finna slide, ayy. She wanna ride, ayy. Have a good time.